Hey, doing here, and I just want to say thanks for watching this video. I really do appreciate you joining us, and also want to ask you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as well, because the information I'm going to be sharing with you is very, very good information that's going to take your YouTube video marketing to the next level. Okay, so let's get right into it. So what I will be talking about today is the SEO Studio by TubeBuddy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring up SEO Studio by TubeBuddy, and what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna go right here. If you can see my cursor, I'm gonna click on SEO Studio. So once you click on SEO Studio, it's gonna open up the SEO Studio interface, and what this is gonna do is gonna allow you to write a perfectly optimized video title, description and tags. As you can see here, it says build a perfect searchable title, description and tag. So let's say you want to rank for something like let's say make money online. Okay, so once you type in your seed keyword, which is make money online, what it's going to do, it's going to go ahead and assess the keyword, and what you see what he has done here, it has placed the make money online inside the title, description, and it's also going to place it inside the tags. But if you could see on the right here where there is some red X, these are things that you need to optimize more for. So what I need to do is maybe add a human sounding description. So how to make money online, and you using these 3 simple tricks. So as you can see here, my computer is a little bit slow. So you see it has bring up my SEO ranking now, because I have a more optimized title using my seed keyword. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, and then it wants you to do the same thing for your description as well. You want it to have a description with more of your keywords inside the description. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to go ahead and copy this title here. So I'm gonna place it right here, so that my description could be also a little bit more optimized. So you see, as my description become more optimized, then my SEO score keep going up. So this is guiding you towards getting a perfect SEO title and description. So I want to include this the seed keyword a little bit more in the description. So you're going to write a better description than this. So how to make money online using these 3 simple tricks of making money online. So what you see is that my SEO score should have gone up a little bit more. So I'm just going to leave it at that, because this is just pretty much an example. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and going to click on the next button. You're unable to see it because I'm using a 15-inch laptop, so it's not going to show up. And then what you can do now, you could go ahead and add, it gives it a keyword, so you could add some more keywords here, and the keywords would actually bring up your. So you want to just add keywords that are relevant. So you see here, make money online 2019, we're in 2020, so this is not a keyword that I would want to target, so I would leave that one out. So once you're comfortable with the keywords you're adding, and you could go ahead, I'm just going to add all these that are relevant. So you see, it is saying I could improve some more by including the exact target keyword as the first tag. So I'm gonna go ahead and add now the exact target keyword as my first tag. So that's gonna improve my ranking. And you see it says include multiple variants of that tag. I've gone ahead and include multiple variants of that tag. So you see what you have had here now, you have a 94% chance of getting ranked on the first page of YouTube, and this is very much better. So let me go ahead and bring this up some more. So here you can see it says save draft. You could go ahead and save your draft here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit save draft, and once you hit save draft, then this would save it. As you can see, it will save it right here. You see it says make money online draft. So when you're ready to upload your video, all you have to do is go ahead and click on this make money online, and then you want to hit next, and then hit apply, and this would upload it directly to the video that you're uploading. So you see, TubeBuddy makes it really simple. And if you would like to get access to this new feature in TubeBuddy, you could click the link in the description. The link in the description will take you to TubeBuddy, and you could go ahead and get a trial where you could try this out for a little bit. And if you would like TubeBuddy and how it helps you to improve your video ranking, then you could go ahead and get the pro package. So it's pretty much free for you to try. So there is no cost for you to try it out, but just to let you know that you would need to do an upgrade to the pro package in order to use this feature. So you could see this video is already ready at a 94% ranking for the first page of Google. So if you like the information I've shared with you in this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if there is anything I missed out that you would like for me to pick up on in the next video or make a next video about, and also like and subscribe. Talk to you again soon. Bye for now.